This style of skeleton X-ray videos is going viral right now. Every day, more and more people are watching them, especially kids and families, because they look clean, satisfying, and highly professional. The video you're watching on your screen right now, I created it today using only free AI tools. Channels built around this concept are growing extremely fast in 2026. In fact, almost every channel in this niche is fully monetized, and many of them are earning thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars. Today, I'm going to show you one example of a channel that is already making thousands per month from this exact type of content. The channel is called Skila Pets. It has around 54.4K subscribers with only about 17 uploaded videos, yet many of those videos have reached millions of views. Imagine that, just 17 videos, and several of them have already gone viral. According to Social Blade estimates, this channel earns roughly between 10K and 168K per month. That means even on the lower end, it's making thousands of dollars consistently. Over the last couple of weeks alone, it has generated significant revenue and holds a strong B+ grade, showing excellent growth and engagement. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how we can create similar images and videos using completely free AI tools. So guys, first of all, you need to go to ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, the first thing you should do is take screenshots of the channel we just analyzed, especially its thumbnails and videos, and upload those screenshots into ChatGPT. After that, I will give you a master prompt. In the description, inside this master prompt, I've already added all animals, consistent image prompts, and video prompts. This means you can create skeleton X-ray style videos for any animal using just one prompt. For example, we can create videos with a dog, a cat, and we can also add a monkey. In this master prompt, I've also included the X-ray style background, different types of food like meat, drinks, pizza, and more. It explains how the animal eats the food, how it goes into the stomach, and what happens inside the body. Everything is already written in one all-in-one master prompt. The prompt also asks ChatGPT to generate 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts, with clearly visible bones, smooth transitions, and high-quality visuals. So all you have to do is copy that master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 image prompts that we'll use to generate images, and it will also provide video prompts for animation. As you can see, now our image prompts and video prompts are ready. First, let's go to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a free AI website that allows us to generate images. Simply click on Get Started and log in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll get around 150 daily credits. Next, select the image ratio. For shorts or reels, choose the vertical ratio 9:16. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. As you can see, it generates multiple image variations. Just choose the one you like best and save it. Then repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it, and generate again. In a few seconds, your next image will be ready. The results look amazing and very professional. Now let's generate another image. For example, a monkey eating pizza. Copy the next prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Again, within seconds, your third image will be ready. You just have to repeat this process one by one for all prompts. Leonardo AI lets you generate several free images daily, and it's a great free tool. Once our images are ready, let's talk about another free AI tool called Piclumen. This is also a free image generator and allows unlimited image creation. Simply log in, select the image ratio, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it into Piclumen, and click Generate. So guys, after generating all the images, our next step will be video generation. And we'll do that using free AI tools as well. Next, we move to the video generator, GrowKey AI. This is a simple AI app that has grown very fast recently, and the best part is that it's 100% free. In Grok AI, you don't need any credits or paid plan. All you have to do is log in with any Google account. I'll put the website link in the description. After logging in, go to the Imagine section. Once you click on Imagine, upload the first image that we generated earlier. After uploading the image, select the video generation option. Then choose the 9:16 vertical ratio. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the AI tool. After that, click on Generate. Within about 20 to 30 seconds, your video will be ready. Just wait a moment. As you can see, our first video is ready. It looks very clean, simple, and professional. The animation is smooth and visually satisfying. Now let's generate the second video. Upload the cat image, select video generation, paste the next prompt, and click Generate. Again, within 20 to 30 seconds, the second video will be ready. Let's wait a few seconds. Here we go. Our second video is ready. The result looks fantastic. In the same way, you can generate all your videos. You can create 10, 20, or even 30 videos using this tool. You can also generate images here if needed. Just repeat the process one by one for all prompts. Finally, all our videos are ready. They look clean, satisfying, and very professional. Now it's time to edit the videos. For editing, we'll use Filmora, which also has a free version available online. Open Filmora and import all your videos. Then place them one by one on the timeline. After adding them to the timeline, adjust each clip properly. Next, go to the Transitions section and add a simple fade transition between clips to keep everything smooth. You can also add sound effects. For example, search for stomach or digestion sound effects. After exporting, preview your final video. It should look clean, smooth, and professional, just like the one you saw at the beginning of this tutorial. Now, all you need to do is create your own channel based on this concept. Design similar thumbnails, create short videos around 15 to 20 seconds, and upload them consistently. After uploading, optimize your SEO, add proper titles, tags, and descriptions, and publish the videos. You'll start seeing your videos grow, and with consistency, this type of channel can reach millions of views and generate strong income. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.